Hi guys, Rick Damon at Cowtown USA. We just got in an all aluminum 8-wide Cherokee, stock combo, collapsible rear tack, full living quarters with a generator. Nice big awning on it, spare tire, dual propane, dual batteries. Nothing fancy, it's just good. Good set of radial tires on it, 16-inch. Look like that says Goodyear on it. It's got a rear ramp on the back, 4 saddle racks, and they are collapsible. So you want to haul an ATV, UTV, this trailer will do it. There's your gas tank for your generator there in the front. Now this divider, if you open this, and you can use it several different ways, I guess. It's set up right now as like a mid-tack. Got your generator set in there. Got a little bit of storage here, which is not a whole lot. Behind this wall here, a lot of custom work on this trailer. If you want to leave the generator, you can. It runs fine. You want to make put a horse in there, you can do that as well. You got room enough, I would think, in here to haul 4 horses without that. Collapse your tack over and haul your ATV, UTV, or put cattle in it. However you want to do it. Show cattle. It's probably not perfect in every aspect, but it's good. I mean, what we call the probabilities are there. If you use this for a stall, it'll be an escape door. Right now, it's just going to be access to that to your generator and storage. So, however you want to do that, it's a 4.0 gas owning. All right. I'll take you around inside. The body's good, frame's good, floor's good, mats are good. We went through brakes and bearings, so all that's good. Take you inside. First thing on the left-hand side, when you go in here, I'll step in here, is a big closet, big hanging closet. Nice closet. And then a lot of storage here to your left as you go in. Okay, got a couch to your right, a dinette to your left, bed over the nose, storage over the nose. Looks like it's got a flat screen TV, fan over the bed, AC blows cold. It does have a ducted furnace in it. Dinette here. Now you got storage under this seat here. You have storage under that set of steps, and a good wide set of steps to get up into the bed. Nice long bench here. Couch, I guess I should say. Okay, we'll spin you around here. You have dual stainless steel sinks, your gas stove and microwave, more cabinets, more cabinets. Okay. Get your gas electric fridge. Step in here to the bathroom. You have your shower on the left-hand side. It does have the vanity in it. Okay, swing right here to the right. Another hanging closet. Another hanging closet. So we have 3 hanging closets. It's at least. Your generator, your automatics, your start, everything's right here. Push the button there. That's how it's done. It's got your stool here, which stool's supposed to be. I'm going to turn right here and walk you back out of this. Got a nice size shower. I tend to move this fast. I don't mean to. Alright, give you a view. I mean, people should be comfortable here with you. Storage, closet. I mean, it should work out well with you. We've got the pictures, the video, done everything I know to do to make it right for you. Give us a call, 573-885. Well, there's more storage up here too. 573-885-6300. We'll stick my camera underneath this trailer. This Cherokee's got a good foundation in it as well. Let me get out here. There's your drain. Well, look at the floor. I mean, that sucker looks like a bridge, doesn't it? Anyway, give us a call at Cowtown USA Inc.com. Got your screen door on Cowtown USA Inc.com. Ask for Rick. Oh, you don't have to ask for Rick. Ask for Jack or ask for Sean. Either one. Any of us be glad to help you. But again, the body of the trailer is not beat and thumped. It's a good, clean, solid trailer. Well-built trailer. Cherokee's always been a well-built trailer. 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. And let life's adventures go. Thank you.